Alright, welcome back, JDs and gentlemen, to a very, very special video. This is my brand new 2016 MT-07. Ooh, this thing looks amazing. So I'll do a little quick run through of the bike for you guys. We have custom painted wheels, as you can see the yellow. Oh no, spider on my wheel all of a sudden. Get off. Normally all yellow. As you can see, we've got these inner rims here painted to colour match the body panels. We have you can't really see it here, but we have wheel stickers as well, MT-07 through here. Next we have a custom what's it called, like a radiator grille here, MT-07 with the little MT-07 symbol. We have these are custom, forgot what they're called, the things that stop you from dropping it. Custom wing mirrors on the side underneath, custom handles to match the yellow and the grey of the bike. We have I don't know how I missed this bit out. We have a full Akrapovic system. It's the carbon Akrapovic racing line. Obviously no DB killer. So this thing sounds stupid, like stupid. Tail tidy, custom seats, custom levers here, levers, whatever. Yeah, that's basically it. But yeah, this is going to be my first time properly riding it. I rode it about a minute to get up here, but I've yet to go over second gear or over half throttle. It's such a beautiful bike. All the carbon bits glisten as well, the yellow stands out, it's all matched. Also, we have these custom seats here. They're like these super big plushy cushions. Anyway, let me give you guys a little sound check, because this thing is insane. Oh, obviously it's not a cold start, but I'm sure we'll have many of those to come. Oh, I love this bike so much. Yeah, it's insane. Oh, I'm still getting a little bit used to that clutch. Still getting a little bit used to that the clutch on this thing. Right. So before this, I have this is the most powerful bike I've ever been on. The only bike I've ever ridden except for this are 125s. I've only ever ridden 125s. So this is there's dogs ahead. I was going to give you guys my first little pull, but I'm not in front of those dogs. Oh, I can already hear it popping and banging a little bit. Oh my god! What the fuck? Bro, that is insane. So this bike, the sprockets, I believe it's... Oh my god, I need to shut up and just let you guys hear this thing, to be honest. So this thing is down one tooth in the front, but then up two in the rear. But overall it's still... that still moved it more towards like acceleration rather than top speed, so it's as if an MT-07 isn't like torquey enough. This thing's actually quicker accelerating than usual. Oh my god. Oh my god. yeah, this actually isn't restricted, so this is the full 70 horsepower. Obviously with that like custom air filter and exhaust, it's probably even more than that still. But wow. Did you hear that? I heard some electric go like, I don't know what that was. Wait, this thing says eco. I don't know fully what that means. I don't know if I have it on like, I don't know if this is eco mode or what. I haven't learned this bike yet. At something at the same time. I keep messing up the shifts. I'm so not used to this thing's like gear level gearbox. I'm just so used to my 125. I've ridden that bike for 2 years, so it's literally ingrained in me. Yeah, this thing has surpassed my expectations. Like, this thing is silly. Man, those pops. Shouldn't even be riding this thing. Oh my god. Yeah, just I feel like this is how like people in 600s feel when they go to thousands. This thing is five times more power than what I'm used to on my 125. Jesus Christ. Right, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'm gonna head home very slowly and timidly because I'm low-key shitting myself on this thing. Goodbye.